settle for less than I give and tell you that I'm fine when I am terrified of what I am. I'm afraid of confrontation and thoughts that I have when I wait at the station and dying on my own. And if I make it home on time, the ice is melting below my feet at last. I don't need the answers that are underneath. I'm searching for the line that's in between. I am alive but not quite there. I tell my soul by the meter to find out where this puddle went. On earth is where I say I'd like to be, but I've been lying to myself. My bad habit is a believer in bubbles round the river bend.
I tried more than I did. Now I'm left with unsettled scores and broken doors. I'm locked behind. I'm losing concentration. My train's only one stop out of the station. I'm dying just to know if I will make it home this time.
There's a light that shines before
the person I was then is a shadow on the floor. I'm searching for the line that's in between.
I am alive but not quite there.
I tell my soul by the meter to find out where this puddle went.
On earth is where I say it's right to sleep, but I've been lying to myself. My bad habit is a believer in bubbles round the river bend. Gone are the times where I chase the beacon and see a sign despite of my weakness. Now I evade, 'cause there's danger underneath every mattress I lay. I live a life of cycles repeating. I gotta try to find where it's leading. I just can't pretend there's nothing around the bend. I'm searching